In front of me is REALME C35, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this phone. So at first, just open any area where you can input a text, for example, new message, click on Start Chat, and as you can see currently we are set up with English letters. To change the keyboard, tap on Settings icon, pick Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and pick the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is quite long and you will definitely find something suitable, something that you are looking for. Let me just scroll it down to the very bottom. Okay, so finally we are here, and now just pick the language that you would like to apply. Let me pick, for example, Hebrew, tap on Done, remove unnecessary language, and as you can see, brand new language has been applied. So that will be all. This is it. This is how you can change keyboard dictionary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.